Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the feature so you can pin apps. Open Settings, go to Security or Lock Screen, then Advanced, Enable Screen Pinning. Once done, choose whether unpinning requires your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Make sure this is set for security. You need this active before pinning any app. Now open the app you want pinned. Prepare for the next step where you'll pin from the app overview and lock it to the screen. You now pin the app itself. With the app open, tap Recents or Overview to show app cards. Once you see its card, either tap the pin icon or the three-dot menu and choose Pin. Confirm when Android asks. This locks the app to the foreground. Make sure you remember the unpin gesture or key combination shown, usually long press back plus overview or swipe in a specific pattern. Once pinned, the device won't switch apps until you unpin, keeping the session focused. Finish by testing the unpin action so you won't get stuck. Use the shown gesture or enter your PIN or biometric. If pinning fails, restart the phone and make sure screen pinning is still toggled on. Disable and re-enable if needed. Also check the app isn't already in split screen or multi-window mode, because that prevents pinning. If you hit a persistent bug, update Android and the app. Then try again. These steps resolve most issues and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.